How to use Roblox gift card 20. How to use Roblox gift card. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your Roblox gift card and use it. So let's get started. So you can redeem it using your Roblox application. What you gotta do is simply head over to any browser. In my case, I'm using an iOS device, so I'm gonna head over to Safari. And then you gotta simply type in roblox.com/redeem and press go. Once you do so, you will be redirected to the redeem page of Roblox, and you gotta simply type down your code over here, enter your gift card, virtual item, or promo code below. Simply type that down over here, and then you gotta agree to the terms and condition. After that, you gotta simply click on redeem. And once you do so, you'll be able to see that you have redeemed your Roblox gift card and now you can enjoy using it. So that is basically how you can use Roblox gift card. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.